was to study you. And as I began to look at you, look what I did. Well, here's a boy that never been to school. How is he going to really come in front of an audience or an individual to do consultation? How is he going to do that? What premise? What foundation? What arrangement? Well, guess what I did? Being a steam engineer, I would begin to experiment with these plants and give them to people, and give them to people, give them away because I had a good job. They would come back and say, you know, Dr. Sebi, when I used to stoop and raise up my head too fast, I get dizzy. And I know you guys are experiencing that. So, the other one would say, you know the stuff that you gave me? It stopped the dizziness, but I'm weak. Then I put another compound together. Then the other one would say, well, you know, I haven't been to the bathroom. I make something to the bathroom. So as they begin to tell me about the maladies, I begin to record that. Then I begin to ask you, sir? Yes. Do you get busy when you shoot sometime? Oh, yes. How do you know? But I was still the time before. Ladies, after you ask 50, what part of you hurts? Oh, God, my arm. This and that. And anyway, I'm in menopause. I said, that's okay. Menopause is falls too. What you mean by that? Well, you see, there was a woman in New York that went into menopause when she was 42. And when she came to me, she's 51. But she came to me because she had 5 fibroid tumors. They came out. I'm in Chicago one night. I got a telephone call. Nigga, if I get pregnant, the baby's yours. She got pregnant and had a baby at 52. Little baby named Makita. Little beautiful little girl. So we are not going to think tonight that what is said is true. And that when you get sick, that's the end of it. No. It could just very well be the beginning of your life. Because now you're going to put forth effort into reversing that. So Dr. Sebi went and he selected from the plants of the world only the plants that are alkaline, the plants that are natural, the plants that are electrical. Name some of them: guaco, contribo, hombre grande, calawala, sarsaparilla. In Africa, you have the marula, you have the cancansa, you have the sia, you have the popa, and you have the other one, the hudia. These are the electric plants. They will heal. So what do we do? What I do is to cleanse the body. While as an engineer, I put together a cleansing, an intracellular chelation. We're going to clean every cell that makes up every organ that totals the biological you. I can't miss. Because my computation, my sight, my vision says there is only one disease. There's never been two. Greg was saying, man, you out of your mind. They're gonna ridicule you, boy. I said, Greg, look, man, when someone has sinusitis, what's in the nasal passage? He said, mucus. And when someone has bronchitis, what's in the bronchial tube? He said, mucus. And when you have glaucoma, what's on the eye? Mucus again. And when you're insane,